tasked with the design and construction of a net zero carbon building, including the simulation of the entire life cycle of a design-build project. I now invite the civil engineering team to the stage, please.
So our project was unique in its focus on sustainability. So we've been able to achieve LEED Gold. And what LEED is, it's the most widespread green building rating system. And Gold is the second highest rating. And to achieve that, we were able to incorporate these different sustainable aspects into our building. One of being the wind catcher, which takes natural wind from the outside and has it circulate throughout the building, which also decreases our energy load. We also have native plants on our botanical garden green roof, which that green roof also doubles as a mitigant for the heat island effect. Two more certifications that we received is net zero energy and net zero carbon. This one is net zero energy. What we see here is the energy consumption of our building that we calculated. It's already very low because of all the mitigating aspects we put in there, like our wind catcher and our heat pump. But we also have solar energy coming in from our garage, where we have a lot of our solar panels, and it'll create 123% of our actual energy consumption. We also have our net zero carbon. So the way we offset our carbon was with our solar panels, but we were able to lower our actual carbon using the material of mass timber, which is relatively new into the construction industry, especially for bigger structures like this. We also conducted life cycle analysis using SEMA Pro, where we analyzed concrete and rebar, as well as our glazing and plywood to determine the amount of carbon it would produce during construction. So we were able to offset that carbon usage in 3.3 years by giving energy back to the grid. Now let's go into our aesthetic design. So we presented a lot of concepts to our building owners, which were our project advisors and industry representatives. And through careful collaboration and communication with them, we eventually refined our design down into our final product, which is this. You can tell that a lot of the aspects of our building came from our past concepts. So we took a lot of those aspects from there to make this final one. You can see there's two circular buildings on the plot of land. The bigger one, including the botanical garden green roof, as well as a large glass dome. Let's take a look at a video rendering. So you can see a lot of the materials that we used. You can see the public park located there and the garage located here. Welcome to the Museum of Art. We first head into the lobby, which is connected to our museum store. And this is where a lot of our patrons can buy little pieces of art, souvenirs, and books. And this is connected to our gallery. This is our Building 1 gallery. As you can see, it's lit up by our glass dome. We also have temporary walls installed, which can be removed and added based on the needs of the museum. Then we have one of our 3 restaurants. Our patrons can come enjoy there throughout both buildings. And then now we come up to our green roof. And there's 2 habitats to our green roof, one being desert and another being more tropical habitat, both including native plants to the Southern California area. And finally, we have our public park, which is free and open for the public to enjoy. Now I'd like to pass it on to Marissa.
So now that Lily has discussed her very ambitious architectural design, it was the civil design team's responsibility to make this vision into a reality.
Thank you so much for your guys' time, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation.